Hello world, welcome back to my channel. My name's Paul. We're all loaded up, ready to go. We've got a nice day today. I know it doesn't look like it, but compared to the last 2 days, behind this fog is actual sunshine. So we're heading to Gua Musang, and that's only about 2 hours away, so I'll see how I feel when I get there. But that's going deep into the central Malaysian Highlands. We're just on the edge of it here at the Cameron Highlands. And from there, I'll make my way down south to Kuala Lumpur. It should take me 4 or 5 days to get to Kuala Lumpur, and I fly home for a few weeks in a week. I've got my winter clothes on because it's been freezing the last few days. I might regret it, but let's see what happens when we're going along. But look at this day compared with the last couple. If you watch the last video, you'll see it was all rain. But it looks like I've got a beautiful day to head into the mountains. And check helmet cam. Can you hear all the monkeys howling? Yeah, you probably can't on GoPro, but yeah, somewhere maybe. It's a long way away, but they're all howling in the trees. Amazing, guys. What a morning. What a morning. Oop, there we go. Look where we are, guys. We'll be riding south through here. Maybe today. I'll see how I feel when I get to Gua Musang. Because we're nearly there. We're maybe, Google Maps says 1 hour. See how I feel, but I'm in no hurry to get to KL. But yeah, we'll be riding out down through that in the next few days. Yeehaw! Here we are, guys. Sura Lansana. I'm going to have a ride around here a bit and see if I can't find a decent hotel. Well guys, turns out there's hotels all over the place here. Hot. I'm staying at the M Quality Hotel just here. Really comfortable. Everything seemed to be around the 100 ringgit mark. Like everywhere I asked was 100 ringgit. And that's about maybe $33 Australian, so about $22 US maybe. So yeah, but there's hotels everywhere. And it's hot. Like this morning it was cold, I was wearing my full gear. By the time I arrived here I was sweating like a pig. So I'm going to go and find something to eat. And then I'll probably be lazy for the day. And I think I'll be heading down this way, heading south towards, I could go this way, behind me here, and that would take me to the east coast, but I think I want to go down the middle through the mountains. That's my plan at the moment. Morning, we're all loaded up, ready to go. This is one of my lovely hosts. I really enjoyed this hotel, had a great sleep. Look at this guy, mountains. Now, I could be in Kuala Lumpur this afternoon, but I don't fly for 6 days, so I'm going to take a bit of a long way of getting there. I'm not sure what the road's going to be like. In the first bit looks like quite a main road on Google Maps, but I think I turn off later on, maybe in an hour, and that'll take me down more of a country road, I think. But let's go and find out together. So first things first, let's find somewhere to eat. And I think this might be our breakfast stop. Let's go and have a look. I say it a lot, but this GoPro is amazing. It's dark in here, yet the GoPro makes it look really bright. Having a bit of goat and rice for breakfast. Got a coffee coming. I doubt you'll be able to see her out there. Oh yeah, you can. GoPro's amazing, really. She's waiting out there for us to hit the road. I'm excited. What a beautiful day, guys, after the last couple of days. Beautiful. Well, had an amazing breakfast. Now I know there's a 7-Eleven here that sells, I must have gone past it and missed it maybe. I know it sells soda water. I'd like a soda water before I go. There it is right there. A bit of fluids on the inside, a bit of hydration before we hit the road. This is what we're riding into today. The fog just makes it even more mysterious. I've got a truck behind me, I've got to get off. If you look up in here, you can see caves all dotted through there. Oh yeah, there's a massive big one over there. Yeah, so this must be a really popular place to come. I'm pretty sure it's called potholing. Well, we just turned off that main road, so we've got about an hour and a half of this, guys. I'm really excited, having a great morning, music in the helmet. What a day, guys. And it hasn't rained, but this overcast keeping it nice and cool. Beautiful day for riding. Yeah, got the 2-hour sore butt. Stop having milk coffee. There's a river down there, just beautiful. What a morning, guys. I've been trying to show you in that B-roll, but I don't think I've been able to sort of catch just how beautiful it is here. Oh, so I'll finish my cup of coffee. We'll get some more miles up. We've got about an hour to today's destination, maybe an hour. And, it's probably 12 o'clock now, so which should be a nice early knockoff. Up here, guys, with the holes in it. They always seem to be where they've got these date palms for the palm oil. And I always used to think there was some way of processing the thing, but I found out since they're actually bird's nest farms. So if you go next to them, you can hear speakers playing this, I think they're swallows song. So all the birds go into those little holes in the side of the shed and nest in there. And that's where they get their bird's nest suits from. Here's a big temple here, guys. Wow. Oh, that's pretty impressive. Guys, we're in Maran. That was our goal for today. I saw a bus, so I'm glad we're here. Now, I'm going to try and find a hotel here. I'm just going to book for one night. Then I'll do some research and find out if there's anything here worth seeing. Oh, no hotels in that village, so we're heading towards Kuala. My hotel that I usually stay at Sunway, Booking.com said they've only got expensive rooms, so I rang them up to see what they could do for me, and they got me a room for the normal price. Oh, as soon as I said, oh, it's Paul Morrison here. Oh, hello, Mr. Morrison. So they remembered who I am. I like that. And I was going to try and get there in 2 days. But I'm going to have to head towards Kuala Lumpur today to find a room. So I booked in from tomorrow. So I'll be in Kuala for 5 days, which is going to be a bit boring, but that's all right. It'll give me some time to rest up before I get home. Explore Kuala a bit more. But for now, got a nice cold soda water. Getting broke from that bike seat for a bit. Then I'm going to find the next hotel I can get to. Guy in front of me here, I met him at the last town. Asked him where there's a hotel. He said, follow me. And we just turned off the highway, so I'm guessing it's just up here. Some people are... So, I've been looking at this hotel online on booking.com, but I thought it was a scam because it's like $15 a night US. Really, really nice hotels. And I got here, it's not a scam. This just happened to be the hotel the guy brought me to. What a nice bloke, really. Morning, guys. All loaded up, ready to go. We'll be in KL in about 3 hours. The Green Park Hotel, guys. Really, really good. And I was so shocked at the price. Look at this, and it cost me maybe $15 US. Anyway, I'm going to jump on the bike, get to KL. Oh, now Peter, that you'll remember from the Kuala Lumpur videos, he's the one that gave me the tour of Kuala Lumpur in his Grab or Maxim taxi last year. He said that I can leave the bike at his mum's, but when I messaged him yesterday, him and his mum are off to Thailand on Friday. I fly out Sunday. So that was a bit of a, oh shit, what am I going to do? But we've organised that on Thursday, it's Tuesday today, on Thursday we drop off the bike at his mum's. But I'm a bit worried also because there's been an earthquake in Sumatra. So just opposite Kuala Lumpur, really. And if I drop the bike off at his place on Thursday and I can't fly on Sunday, I'm stuck until they get back from Thailand. But that's all right, guys. Everything works out. It always works out. You've been watching this channel for a while. You know everything works out. Okay, so the first thing I want to do, find some breakfast. I'm hungry. Big breakfast. Now we've got about 2.5 hours Google Maps time. Back in Sunway, where we're going to get fat again. And we are going on the freeway this morning, guys. Because we're getting actually into the city, we don't want to be mucking around on all those side streets, so it's easier just to do the freeway. It is a beautiful road. Oh guys, kind of feels like coming home. This is my Malaysian home. Sunway, all this food. Well, that really was an amazing few days riding. Ever since I left the highway and headed up into the Cameron Highlands, so like 3 videos ago, the riding has just been unbelievable. Now it's not Ladakh and it's not northern Pakistan, but the roads were just so good, I could really give it to her. I had so much fun, guys, really so much fun. But I've got plenty of footage to make a video. So if you hadn't subscribed yet, hit that mad dog icon up there or the subscribe button down below. May as well hit that bell icon while you're down there. I always try and respond to your comments, so leave a comment, give me a big thumbs up, share this video everywhere you can. We will see you in the next one.